Hey guys, I am on. I finally finished, yay, my baby calendar. Whew. I don't like the last part of it. I love putting the pages together, putting them on there. Dating, not my favorite part. But anyway, so I did the cover and I used, if you watched my Dollar Tree haul, I got this cute bag and I thought I'm going to use that for the cover page, and I did. And then I went back in my vault of letters and used thickers, and these are the spongy, foam kind. Spongy, I'm really tired, but I'm so excited. I want to give this to her tomorrow. So, and then I tie ribbon at the top. So this is a 12 by 12. You don't have to do 12 by 12. I've seen people do mini albums, but it's kind of, I came up with on my own, not to say that it's not been done before. But anyway, so I tie ribbon here. And I got this calendar years ago, but you can get them on Amazon, of course. Amazon has everything so far anyway. So cute. I just love the cover. It's kind of shiny, which is perfect. And then I just did the back side with the other side of the bag that's not. And I wrote, because they call me Grandma Kim, Handmade with Love by Grandma Kim. 2025. So there we go. So fun. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, I've showed the pages before. In the past, what I've done is, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. There we go. Done the holidays and stuff in here. I didn't do that this time. It made it a little bit easier. So anyway, so I did this page, some rickrack, brand new, welcome baby boy, and then they can put the picture here. So what I do is I start, and this time I printed this on my sticky back paper and just stuck the month on there. Much easier, because I've done the thickers, I've done it with letters from Cricut, and then I go through and date the calendar, hand date it with a pen. So there's how I did that. So the baby's born in May, so that's the first month of this calendar based on their birth date. Next page is June, and I did this. And I've shown, like I said, the handprints were embossed, sticker or set of embossing and die set. Tiny toes. Use a lot of my Echo Park. So, and then that is June. This saved me a lot. Now I should decorate, but I'm just like, okay, I'm done. Sorry. This is Peter Rabbit page. Oh my gosh, the lace. I had so much fun with this one. An embossing folder from Crafter's Companion. There's Peter Rabbit. This is a digital set that I got on Etsy. So I'm just really dream big, little one, and a boy. You are so loved. And then there's the July undated. So yeah, you are welcome to use this idea if you want. I figure it's kind of like could be like a little baby first year album, especially this is her second. So you're never, it's hard with the second one. You're very busy. Here's the Winnie the Pooh page. So I do have that. Oh my gosh. I do have that collection. The baby collection. I was talking about, oh, I should get that. I have it. Okay. And that was August. And then this one I already had in my stash done. So I just added it. So I can't tell you what this is, where I got it, or anything like that. So, and that is September. And then I always love to do, a bath time one, and I love using my teddy bear parade from Cricut. So I made my little, he's got his little snorkel on, his goggles rather, and his ducky. And I made some bubbles. And then these I had, I think my friend Tammy. Hi Tammy, if you're watching, from Teddy Bear Cove. I think that's what, Teddy Bear Corner. Sorry, Tammy. Anyway, she gifted me a whole bunch of letters, so I was able to use those, and that is October. So see, I didn't do Halloween. This is my Authentique page with Echo Park as well. So we have lots of stickers. These are Echo Park, but this paper is authentic. And then I can put the picture there. And so that was November. Yeah, I pretty much have been sitting here for a few hours doing this. Oy, oy, oy. Baby Boy. So this was a page from K & Company that already had all this print on it. So I just added the word Baby Boy, some stickers, and a place for a picture. I thought that turned out super cute because it's got your teddy bear on there. Kind of an old-fashioned looking. And that's December. Let's see, normally that would be Christmas, but I just wanted to use up my baby stuff because I'm just not making. I'm older now. I have grandchildren. I don't know people that are having babies anymore, so I need to use this up. So this is paper from Paper Craft Studio from Hobby Lobby. I have a pack there, and then some of my Echo Park again. That's January. And then I had colored this already, so I went ahead and cut it out in an oval and scalloping and used it this time. And then I thought this rainbows was perfect with the Noah's Ark. There's a little giraffe, a lion, and wild and free. I thought that turned out super cute, so that's February. March is kind of too young baby, but oh well. Anyway, baby stickers, and it says Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on there. I love this paper. I thought that turned out really cute, but I should have probably put it at the beginning. It seems newborn looking, but anyway, March. Last page is April. And I love this page. So it was so easy to put. This was a Mombi page, I think. So it was laid out for me. It said Baby Boy. So I just added, I do a map for every, so it's always 5x7 and a 4x6. Giggle and Smile sticker, and then this ribbon. And I was done. So yeah. And that was April. So it goes up to the baby's first year. And then I did just included, I'd gotten some different planner stuff I think I've shown. So like she can, and I added a note in a card about what to do. Because, you know, I don't know if she's crafty or not. I have no idea. Baby schedule, little memory. So these can be added if she wants to the calendar as well. Sits up, dances to music, first haircut. These are kind of girly, but I think it's okay. So, anyway, she can use it as she wants. So that is that. And I am so happy to have this done, and I think she'll love it. They weigh quite a bit, so I don't know. I punch every time a hole for, you know, for them to tack it up or whatever, but I've heard that some people said it's pretty hefty. So, and the other comment I get is, can you make me one for her he or she's next year's birthday? You know, second year, no. But anyway, I won't know her after this year. But, and then also it's hard to pick just one picture, right? You gotta pick your favorite picture from that month. So, but that's what that is. Instead of a mini album, this is my gift to new parents. All right, you guys, that is when I talk about my calendars. This is what I'm talking about. Hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think of this, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And just, yeah, if you want to make one, they're pretty cool. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.